KashKick offer walls usually fail to load because of app issues, browser problems, account settings, or connection problems that prevent offers from displaying correctly. By the end, you'll know the main fixes for a KashKick offer wall that is not loading, and the steps to check before contacting support. The first thing to check is your internet connection. Offer walls need a stable connection to load available tasks, surveys, and game offers. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue changes. The second step is refreshing your session. Close the KashKick app or browser tab completely, reopen it, and check the offer wall again. Temporary loading errors can disappear after restarting the session. If you are using the KashKick app, check whether it needs an update. Older app versions can sometimes cause problems with features not displaying correctly. Open your device's App Store and install any available update. If you are using a browser, clear the browser cache and cookies. Stored browser data can sometimes interfere with how websites load. After clearing the data, sign back into KashKick and try opening the offer wall again. Another thing to check is whether your account is fully logged in. Some offers may not appear correctly if the session has expired or if you are viewing the platform without being connected to your account. The third section is checking device and browser settings. Disable any extensions or settings that block tracking, advertisements, or website features. Offer walls often rely on tracking technology to display and record available offers. Avoid using multiple browsers or devices at the same time while testing the same issue. Use one device, log in properly, and check whether the offer wall loads normally. If the offer wall still does not work, take screenshots showing the problem. Include details such as the device you are using, whether you are using the app or website, and what happens when you open the offer section. Contacting KashKick support with clear information makes it easier for them to understand the issue and provide a solution. To summarize, a KashKick offer wall that does not load can often be fixed by checking your connection, refreshing the app or browser, and reviewing device settings that affect loading or tracking. Your next step is to restart KashKick, update the app, or clear your browser data, and test the offer wall again. If this guide helped you fix the issue, like the video, and subscribe for more online earning guides.